Hello everyone, this is Reco from RecoveryFox AI. Today, I'm going to show you how to recover lost photos from an SD card, whether the files were deleted accidentally or the card was formatted. If you prefer a written guide, you can find the link to the step-by-step tutorial in the comments section below. And if this video helps you out, please give me a like and subscribe to our channel. If you're still stuck after watching, feel free to leave your questions in the comments and we'll be happy to help. If you've ever inserted an SD card from a camera, drone, or dashcam into your computer, you've probably seen this message when deleting files. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? Seeing the words "permanently delete" can be scary because it sounds like the file is gone forever. Unlike your computer's internal drive, SD cards don't have a recycle bin. So when you delete files from an SD card, they disappear immediately, and you can't restore them from a recycle bin like you can in Windows. But here's the important part. That doesn't always mean the files are truly gone. When a file is deleted, the system usually marks the storage space as available for new data, while the original data may still remain on the card until it gets overwritten. The same thing often happens when you format an SD card, especially if it was a quick format. Quick formatting mainly removes the file system records, but does not immediately erase the actual stored data. This means that in many situations, deleted or formatted SD card photos can still be recovered. Before trying to recover files, there are two important things you should do. First, stop using the SD card immediately. If you continue taking photos or saving new files to the card, the new data may overwrite the deleted files, making recovery much more difficult. Second, use a reliable data recovery tool. Professional recovery software can scan the SD card and locate files that are no longer visible to the operating system. One tool you can try is RecoveryFox AI. RecoveryFox AI is a smart data recovery software for Windows that can recover lost files from various storage devices, including SD cards, USBs, internal and external hard disks. It also allows you to preview files before recovering them, which makes the recovery process easier and safer. Now let's walk through the recovery process step by step. First, insert the SD card using a card reader and make sure your computer detects it. Then, open RecoveryFox AI. From the list of available drives, select your SD card. Click it to start scanning. It will first run a quick scan and then the deeper AI scan to locate recoverable files. If your photos were deleted recently, and the card hasn't been used much since then, you can pause the scan after Quick Scan finishes. Quick Scan is optimized for recently deleted files. But if your SD card was formatted, or the files were lost a long time ago, it's better to let the AI scan finish to find more recoverable data. After the scan completes, you can browse the found files by file type or folder path. Click any photo to preview it, and confirm it's the file you want. Then simply select the photos you want to restore and click Recover. Choose a different location on your computer to save the recovered files. Once the recovery is done, open the destination folder in File Explorer. As you can see, the recovered photos, including camera raw images, are restored successfully. Losing important photos can be frustrating, but in many cases, deleted or even formatted SD card data can still be recovered, as long as you act quickly and avoid overwriting the card. If you'd like to try RecoveryFox AI, you can find the download link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. I'm Reco, and I'll see you in the next video.